Welcome back to another ZT Global video, where today I'm going to start off with the blockchain conference coming out in June of this year in Austin, Texas. It's going to be really cool. It's going to be fun. And speaking of fun, I hope you guys have a tremendous week this week. It's a Monday. It's kind of a gloomy day right here, but the markets are looking very interesting. And I'm going to spice it all up with today's market recap. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out ZT Global for the newest top gainers and coins coming out, because we are listing the best tokens on the market on a daily basis. Now, also at the end of the video, I will be showing you a glimpse of a really cool token. So it's sort of a secret token, and I want you guys to stay and actually see it because it has something to do with VR and in-car entertainment. Now let's move straight into the video. Moving into Coindesk, first and foremost, we can see that Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal are all suspending Russian operations. It makes perfect sense. Nothing else too interesting right here, except the fact that ceasefire attempts did not actually happen. A humanitarian corridor is open, and at the same time, US is contemplating whether or not they should completely ban Russia's imports of oil. Now, that is a very dangerous move, and if anybody bans Russia's import of oil, it's gonna benefit Russia more than anything. So it is a very delicate situation. Now, I'm not going to get into the politics of this. I do like to look at it from an economic perspective, and economically, banning oil is not a good thing. But one thing that it did result in is a rapid increase in oil prices as the market opened this morning. As we can see right here, the price went up by almost 10%. I believe it's around 8% right away, which is an absolutely huge movement. And if you move on to the daily time frame, you can just see how crazy oil's growth has been in the recent period. So somewhere about, right here is where the actual war began, and everything was just uphill from there. But moving on to something that actually interests us the most is Bitcoin's price. So let's move into crypto. We're looking at Bitcoin at this point, and on the daily time frame, from sort of a macro perspective, I can see Bitcoin being bullish only in the sense that we break the 45k level. So this zone right here that I've plotted out, if we break above it, we're going to be moving bullish, right? That's a fact at this point, and it coincides with everything that I've ever learned in the cryptocurrency world. So one of the scenarios for Bitcoin is that we move up, we make a strong break, and then we retrace down into fib levels or into the previous zone of resistance, which would act as a support and offer good buying opportunities for some more upside, right, into the previous all-time high level. Now, on the other hand, there is a chance that we just continue moving downwards. We make a triple bottom, and then we pretty much just do exactly what I said. So that would be another example of a reversal pattern. But in the worst case, we could be going down, breaking out, retracing, and offering favorable selling positions right here, aiming for the 20k mark down below, which is the next significant zone of support. Now I just got to change this color because it's really annoying, and there we go. So that's pretty much it. Actually, it was white the last time. Sorry for changing my chart and stuff. I'm sort of an OCD freak, but this is pretty much it when it comes to Bitcoin, right? This is all that you need to take into consideration. When it comes to the lower time frames, we do seem like we are making a support level at this area right here. And, it is likely that we continue towards more upside from here on out, create somewhat of a retracement before moving more towards the downside. So if we see something along the lines of this and then a movement down, I would not be surprised at all. So keep that in mind when you're trading cryptos. This is not financial advice, by the way, and anything you do invest in crypto projects or Bitcoin or pretty much anything connected to crypto is on your own liability. You should definitely do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you what I believe the market could do. Now, moving on into the coin of the day, what I wanted to show you is Holoride. This is absolutely crazy. These guys are turning vehicles into moving theme parks and driving the future of in-car entertainment. So just imagine yourself sitting in a car, traveling, you're putting on this headset right here, and instead of looking to the left and right and seeing a bunch of trees or something, you're literally in a virtual world seeing dinosaurs to the left, Super Mario Bros to the right, and a lot of different stuff going on. And the most interesting part of this whole thing is that once your car actually turns, so if your car is making a left turn, you will be making a left turn in the VR world as well, because it is connected to actually pay attention to your surroundings. So it's adding somewhat of a sixth dimension, and it's absolutely crazy. I recommend you give these guys a follow on their Twitter page. You check everything out. It's really, really cool, and definitely something that I find quite interesting. They have an amazing website. They have an amazing trailer video right here where you can see just the glimpse of what type of worlds you can actually live in, right? This is exactly how it looks, and it's absolutely crazy. It's definitely a project that you should keep in mind and follow through with their development in the future, because the in-car entertainment system is an untapped one, in my opinion. It's a huge market, but it's very niche as well, so it's definitely something that you should be focused on. Now, lastly, you know, they do have a lot of benefits such as elastic content, euphoria, you know, enriched by driving physics. So that's what I actually talked about. Wherever you turn, you'll actually feel it in real life, and you'll feel it in the VR as well. They do have their ride token that will be coming out, or probably is out already, but essentially the most important part is that there is an elastic SDK out that allows anybody to create their own world for you to drive in. So that's gonna stimulate community to actually focus on building better and better worlds and more innovative stuff for the future. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you did enjoy this little market recap. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.